Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you and I've got Asos and this is the December beauty box. So as always, if you know everything there is to know about the Asos beauty box and you're just curious in seeing what the contents are, I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below so you're free to flick forward. Asos have been doing beauty boxes now for probably coming up to 2 years and I absolutely love them. Some months are better than others, as you'd imagine, but for the value and the fact that you can actually see the products and then decide if you want the box or not, I think that's an added bonus. They are not subscription boxes, so no signing up or anything. They just get released onto their website around the first few days of the month and it's up to you if you want to buy it or not. Inside the box contains around 5 beauty treats and they're usually branded items and they're all items that you can purchase on the Asos website. Now the costs are a little bit weird. Normally they're £12. That is the baseline £12 beauty box. Sometimes we've had like limited edition or collaborations with Bobbi Brown and Clinique and Makeup Revolution, and those boxes have gone up in price to around £15. But for some reason this month's box is £10, so I suppose they just change as to what they see fit, what the value of the box is. So yeah, we haven't had a £10 box for a long while. If you've never shopped an Asos before, this box is available internationally, but they do have a specific list of countries that they can send to. There is a load there. There is a big list. If I can find it, I'll pop it down in my description. Sometimes the boxes are that good, they sell out within a day or two of release. So what I've started doing, and if you're a regular purchaser of the Asos website, and if this box takes your fancy and you think it might be something you might be doing regularly, then it might be worth taking out you pay £9, I think it's £9.99 for a whole year of free next day delivery, which is really good. It's what I do, and yeah, it's just handy because I know as soon as that box gets released onto their website, either through me searching or from you lovely lot messaging me to tell me, Claire, it's on the website, I get it straight away. I post it up on my Facebook and Instagram page with exactly the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, and then obviously it gets sent to me the day after. Then I make sure I can film that box as soon as it arrives so that I'm able to post it up and show you. If you don't want to pay for the yearly shipping, then there will be a shipping cost on top of the box, and I believe it's £3 unless you spend over a certain amount of money and then it gets reduced again. But yeah, all details and everything related to this box I'll pop down below. So underneath this video, see show more, you click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there, and if I can find that list of countries then I'll pop that down there as well. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what I got inside. So December theme is Go Play, and it's got a little bit of information about the box, so I'll read you a little bit of that in a minute and I'll give you a quick sneak peek to show you what's inside. The ultimate gift for the festive season. This month's Asos box is your gift that keeps giving. We're talking 5 of your fave face and body goodies to give you some extra TLC throughout a busy December. Firstly, you've got Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, the ultimate cleanser to melt away your makeup, leaving your skin feeling soft and squeaky clean. Then try Origin's Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum with cucumber and apple. Oh my gosh, that sounds gorgeous. Which helps tone and plump your skin while targeting any fine lines. And for some serious pampering, sink into the tub with Dr. Jart Satapare Tiger Grass Facial Mask and Miss Patisserie's vegan-friendly bath bomb, which has festive silver sparkles and a mandarin scent. Finally, to soothe dry chapped lips over winter, the Carmex Original Lip Balm Tube provides a long-lasting protective barrier with cocoa butter for a super smooth finish. So that's all the information about the products inside the box. They don't give you a price or anything like that, but if I can find them on the Asos website, I'll pop them down below and I'll try and work out what the cost is as well. So the first item is the bath bomb, and this is by Miss Patisserie, and this is the Orb bath ball, and it's mandarin essential oil and cocoa butter. So it looks like there. So once it starts like coming away in the bath, you see all the silver sparkles. I can't really smell mandarin through it. Smells nice, smells nice. It smells quite almost like sweet, very sweet smell. It's got, yeah, therapeutic mandarin essential oil is detoxifying and anti-inflammatory. It has healing properties, can reduce pain, and the aroma is an instant mood booster, helping combat anxiety. Gosh, I didn't know that. Full of healthy fatty acids and antioxidants, cocoa butter penetrates deeply into the skin to naturally heal and hydrate dry sensitive skin. It will create silky smooth bath water. Oh, that sounds really lovely. So even though I can't smell the mandarin, It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. As soon as I put that in the bath, I'm sure it'd be lovely. So that's the first item there. Next is one of my favourite cleansing balms. I've got a few. I do love cleansing balms, but this is Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and we've got 15 mils here. That's the outer packaging. This sort of size is super handy to take away if I go away for the weekend or a night away or something. It's just really nice size to have. It's a little mini, and I think you can buy these for around, is it £10 to £12 as it is this size on the Asos website and other websites as well. I love it. I'm not going to put my finger in there because that'll be a right mess with my nails. But yeah, so we got a cleansing balm. Lightweight cleansing balm quickly dissolves tenacious face and eye makeups, including those with sunscreen. Transform from a solid balm to a silky fluid oil upon application. Cleans thoroughly, non-greasy, non-drying for all skin types. Use fingertips to massage balm over your dry skin and then rinse well. So yeah, so there's that item there. Next we've got a lip balm by Carmex, and it says long lasting relief for dry chapped lips, and it soothes, it relieves, it moisturizes. I don't actually like this. I'm sure, or is it a flavoured Carmex I've had in the past? I can't think now. I've had them in subscription boxes before and I haven't been that keen on it, so I'm not sure if it's the original one or a flavoured one. I can't remember, but I'm not going to try it. I'm going to give that away because it's just in case, yeah, I don't like it, then it's a waste then, isn't it? So yeah, it just says on the back, suffering from dry chapped lips, Alfred Wohlbing invented Carmex lip balm in the USA in the 1930s. The Wohlbing family still runs the business today, and Carmex, one of the world's most loved lip balms with over 130 sold every minute. Try it for yourself and experience why this award-winning lip balm is a favourite of celebrities and makeup artists all over the world. So there's that. Now this sounds amazing on the little card I read. It's Origins and it's Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. We've got 15ml tube there. So a little teeny tiny one. Has it got anything else on it? No, it's just anti-aging, but as the card says, it's yeah, it's full of antioxidants to help combat signs of aging and fine lines. Yeah. It's just a natural smell. I can't describe it, but it is really lovely. I am liking that. I'm liking that. So I can't wait to give that a go, see what that's like on my face. This is that. Lastly, we've got a Dr. Jar Tiger Grass Calming Mask. A Cicapair mask that soothes sensitive skin. There. How do you say that? How do you say that? So it looks like there. Nothing else about it. It just says how to apply. You apply it on your skin, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then remove, and then pat in any excess essence onto the skin and leave. So yeah, Dr. Jar is a lovely brand actually. I've tried quite a few products thanks to the Asos boxes. I've never tried this before. I think I've tried a few of the masks in the past. I use them regularly, so I'll give that a go and see what that's like. It might be quite nice actually on my face at the moment. You can't see because I've got a load of makeup on, but I've had some electrolysis redone on my face about 2 weeks ago, so it's still healing. So I've got to be careful what I put on it, but this might work. Calming mask for sensitive skins, maybe. So those are all the items. I'll just gather them all up. So there you go. So those are all the products inside December's Asos box. The box costs £10, and I do think there's a nice mix there. It's a bit hit and miss for me this month. Not a wow box. I'm really happy that the Clinique Balm is in there because I know I love that, and yeah, I love it. So I don't mind receiving that again. And this serum, it sounds really, really lovely. It would have been nice if we had a bigger one, but I know Origins is quite expensive brand, so yeah, the bath bomb sounds nice. Sheet mask is all right, doesn't really excite me. Carmex, I'm going to give that away. So I think for £10 I do think it's worth it, but it's only worth it if you're going to use it, and we're all different, aren't we? So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you going to get it? Have you already got it? I'd love to know all your thoughts and opinions, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.